Mi chiamo Tom.
Mi chiamo Mike.
And we moved here from the United States. The property we decided to buy is in Termini Imerese. So we have incredible privacy and incredible view. And somebody who came and visited said it looked like a scene out of an Italian Western movie. This was the perfect piece of land because it has 40 beautiful old olive trees. This year we harvested over 250 liters of oil.
Very spicy and green. I love it. It's great. Here it's beautiful because it's flat, and then you can the olives just fall right down into place. And so the house was in Italian was called a villa, which allowed us to get our elective residency because you needed to have a property, and so it qualified on that.
So we're in the process of renovating the casetta. So we were able to get approval to rebuild the veranda as smontabile, which is removable effectively. The entire purchase process is very different than in the United States. The two people we relied on completely during the process was Christina, the attorney, and Pescata and Valerio. Those two walked us through the process and got us to closing. And Valerio actually went to the closing for us and closed on our behalf. One of the best pieces of advice we were given prior to coming to Italy and to Sicily was that you have to have patience with everything, that everything is different, and you just have to try to understand the process. And with that in mind, we haven't allowed standing in line at the post office to put in our promessa di soggiorno to bother us. We're also retired, so we have time to do these things. And also the adventure of learning this stuff. I look at it as fun.
And I make a wonderful lasagna with ricotta and sausages from the area.
Salsiccia.
That you just, it's better than anything that you can make in the United States.
Yeah. No, we've both lost weight because we spend so much time picking olives.